All right, here we are, minute 16, week 4, day 3. It says, I have a 1 in the ones place, a 4 in the tens place, and a 5 in the hundreds place. What number am I? So, first of all, we have a ones place, a tens place, and a hundreds place, which is funny because it's in the opposite order. When you have a number, there's your decimal, and then it goes ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. So I'm going to put a 1, a 10, and a 100 under these so that I know that. And this would go the other way and go tenths, hundredths, thousands. So just to remember that part. That's probably one of the most missed things is reading decimal numbers. All right, so a 1 in the ones place, so I'll put a 1 here, a 4 in the tens place, and a 5 in the hundreds place. 541 is the number. And I'm going to put a decimal after that number because I want you guys to start knowing that there are numbers that just because you don't see a decimal, that there isn't one, there is really one holding the place for anything on the other side of that. Okay, it says which letter is beside an acute angle? So which letter shows an acute angle? So this is a 90-degree angle, and that's a 90-degree angle. An acute angle is anything less than 90 degrees. So this right here is over 90 degrees, and this right here is less. So the answer would be B, acute. Which set of figures shows two shapes that are similar but not congruent? So that means similar but not congruent. So that means they have the same shape. So these ones are congruent, which is the same shape, same size. These ones are just four-sided shapes, and these are similar but not congruent. They are the same shape but not the same size. So it would be A. Which fraction is the simplest form? So if you're figuring out simplest form, you have to say, can the top number go into the bottom number? And if it can, then it's not in the simplest form. And they want to know which one is in the simplest form. So can 5 go into 10? Let's see. If you divide the top, if 5 can go into 10, how to figure that out with a fraction is you would divide the top and the bottom by the same number. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 10 divided by 5 is 2. So is this in the simplest form? Nope, that would be. So I don't see a half anywhere, so we know it's not A. So can 7 go into 14? Again, I'm going to divide 7 by the top. If I say, can 7 go into 14, it's also saying, can 7 go into 7? And we all know any number divided by itself is going to equal to 1. So this is going to be 1/2 also. So this is not in the simplest form. And when they say, can it go into it, they're asking if it can go into it equally. So we're looking with, can it go into that number and have no factors? So can 10 go into 25? Well, no, but 10 has factors of 5 and 2, and 5 can go into 25. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. So this is not the simplest form. So here we are with 12. Can 12 go into 25? No. Factors of 12 are 2 and 12. 2 and 6, 12 and 1, 3 and 4. So 2 cannot go into 25 equally. 12 cannot go into 25 equally. 6 cannot go into 25 equally. 1 cannot go into 25 equally. 3 cannot go into 25 equally. And 4 can, because the only factors of 4 are 5 and 5. So if you're talking about prime factorizations, I could pick the numbers that go into 25 are 5 and 5. Those are the only numbers, and none of those go into there, though. So this is the simplest form. Next, 3 plus 5 is 8 plus what gets to 12? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4. Complete the pattern. 3, 5, 9, 11, 15, 17. Plus 2, plus 4, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2, plus 4. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. What is the area of a rectangle that is 15 feet long and 3 feet wide? So 15 times 3. And we're talking about the area, so that's area is length times width. And it's a rectangle, not a triangle. Rectangle would be four-sided, so you don't have to divide anything. So 15 and 15 is 30, plus another 15 is 45. Next one. According to the chart, which class has the same amount of boys and girls in it? Boys and girls. What class? So, has the same boys as girls in it.
Is that no water?
So,
okay, all right.
This right here, class 1 has this many boys and this many girls, and class 2 has this many boys and this many girls. So class 2. Number 9. About how many more girls than boys does class 1 have? So we're halfway over. So all the way over would be 10. So halfway would be 5. 5 more girls than boys. Okay. Last question. 3.8 or 3 8/10 take away 2 6/10, which is the same as $3.80 take away $2.60. I don't care. I always add my zeros because it reminds me that this is similar to money. 8 take away 6 is 2. Bring down your decimal. That's important. And 3 take away 2 is 1. So 1.20. Next, 6 subtraction. I'm going to check my function to make sure I'm still doing that. My decimals are aligned. So I'm going to bring down my decimal. 6 cents take away 1 cent is 5 cents. No cents take away no cents is no cents. 4 take away 1 is 3. And 10 take away nothing is 10. And last one. If I have $10, which is what this looks like, and I have $6.50, how much more, what would I have left? 10 take away $6.50. Well, I know if I was actually counting up, I would go 50 cents would make $7, and then $3 would make 10. So you can count up that way, or you can borrow if you want to practice that way. So this would be 9, and this would be 10. Because $9 plus 90 cents plus 10 cents is equal to $10. So I would just make this a 10. That doesn't have to be there because I added that 0. So 10 take away 5 is 5. Don't forget to bring down your decimal or your answer will be wrong. 9 take away 6 is 3. So $3.50, which would be the same as that. All right, and you're done.